Hello icons, how are you all? Fine? Are you all ready for new learning today? Shall we start our class? Here we go. Do you all remember in the last class we have learned a new attribute called as enquirers? Did you all start asking questions and started learning? Good. In this class we will learn a new attribute that is thinkers. Thinkers are the people who think and use their thinking skills to solve the problems, and they'll take right decisions. And by the way, in your body, which part do you use for thinking? Your nose? No. Eyes? No. Mouth? No. Brain, right? Yes, we are going to use our brain for our thinking skills. So hereafter we are going to use an attribute called thinkers. We need to think and answer. So, do you all remember in our last class what did we learn about? We learned about equivalence. And were you all enquirers yesterday? Did you inquire about number 5 how to do equivalence? Did you do the task? Good. So, equivalence is nothing but you are trying to balance with the two numbers and get a big number. And for this, you are going to refer your math concept book, page number 14. It's all about equivalence and you can do reading over there. If you see this example, what can you see over here? I can see 4 stones here and a big stone here. What is this doing? They are balancing. 4 stones balancing one big stone. See? And if you look at this picture, what is happening? It's not balancing. Why? Because 3 stones are not enough to balance the big stone. This is a big stone and 3 stones are not enough to balance, it seems. So what we need to do? We need to do equivalence. Equivalence is nothing but many small number can balance a big number. Many small numbers can balance a big number, like this. Number 4 is big number and the remaining numbers which we have chosen for equivalence 4 are the small numbers than 4. Like see, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Are we doing equivalence for the big number 4? Yes. If you see the same way, equivalence for number 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. We are doing equivalence for number 2. So, in the last class, we have learned about equivalence for 6, right? So, these are the combinations we did. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 0 is 6, right? We have chosen all the small numbers to make a big number. You can do the equivalence for any number of your choice, right? Yes. And these are the only numbers which will give you the answer of 6. So in this class, we are also going to learn about place values. Do you all remember place values? Yes. So we have learned about ones, tens, hundreds. In this class, we are going to learn about thousands. Yes. That means we are going to learn about 4-digit numbers. So for ones, we are going to represent it as O. For tens, we are representing it as T. For hundreds, we are representing it as H. And thousands we are representing it as TH. Okay. So hereafter we are going to start writing the number sequence using 4-digit numbers in your math journal. So this is how we are going to write as ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So once you start writing the number sequence in your math journal, you are going to write it as ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. You are representing it as O, T, H and TH. And you are going to write like this, 1001. And how are you going to read it? This is the way you're going to read it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on. This is how you are going to write the 4-digit number sequence hereafter in your math journal. So today's learning engagement in your math journal, you will be writing equivalence for 4, 2 and 3. You are going to inquire and write for the equivalence for number 3. Same way you are going to write the number sequence with 4-digit numbers. So you need to keep practicing, and see you all in the next class. Bye bye.